Hi Aquarius, this is your March monthly reading. I'm going to look at your energies at this time and see what's coming to the sun sign, the zodiac sign of Aquarius, and the ascendant sign of Aquarius. You can watch this reading because I have taken out cards according to the um, your general first house energy and also your seventh house and 10th house energies. So basically, what is going to happen in your relationships, what is going to happen in your work and career situation, and what is the outcome. So right now in your influence, the first energy is about what's in your environment. So your environment has Queen of Swords. So this is, your environment has many things, but you are in the Queen of Swords energy, which is very very sharp, very shrewd, and it is very direct, and you are in this energy of someone who strikes down illogical illogical situations or illogical proposals at this time. So in this time period, the major things that are displayed is you are mainly looking at, very strictly looking at your material harvest. So material harvest means how prepared you are to be on your own wherewithal, how much you have and what you will be earning, and what kind of abundance is enough for you. That is your point, and you are strictly moving towards that. And in this time period, there are temptations around you in your environment, but you are using your wisdom in this time period. So basically, you are withdrawing yourself from temptations, and you are very logical about what is the thing that you need, and not it's not about your desires. So basically, you are very basic in this time period, looking at logical things to be acquired, and you are using your wisdom in this time period, and that's why you are moving on from any situations that can trap you. Basically, you are skirting away from danger, temptations, or your own desires that can become your obstacles. So you are in a very beautiful energy of being logical, smart, shrewd, and very very you are also truthful regarding, and very strict about where your boundaries are. So you, in your love life, in your professional situation, you are very smart and you are looking after yourself. So in this time period, with the Three of Swords in reverse, some kind of bad old wound that was given to you is now getting over. It's now getting over. That difficulty, that setback is now on the mend. Basically, the heart that was broken is now on the mend. How it is getting better is by concentrating on your firm foundations. That is the Four of Pentacles card, and this is the Four of Wands, that is the foundation and achievement. So basically, you are concentrating on foundations. So the Four of Pentacles is from foundation. You want to be balanced, you want to keep everything that you have, you don't want to lose anything anymore. So the Three of Swords is a good omen. It is telling us that it is now in reverse. Anything that you have lost is now over, and you are clutching with all your might whatever you have to build your firm foundation. And with the Four of Wands, whatever you have put in, whatever you have given to your situation, it is bringing in great achievements. And this all happens when you show a little bit of conservatism and you don't get dissuaded by temptations. So this is the energy I am seeing in the month of March, and this will bring in material and spiritual prosperity for you. So material and spiritual prosperity tells us about Six of Pentacles. This is about benefits that come to us through blessings, through our own work, through our services, through balanced compensation that comes to us. So with the Ace of Wands, Nine of Cups, generally in your life, you are attracting enthusiasm, you are attracting wish fulfillment in this time period. Something new is coming up in your personal life. This could be, a renewal or a new beginning or a partnership which is being established with someone. With the King of Pentacles, this could be with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or it is like you are attracting stability. You could be having earth in your chart and you are attracting stability, long term achievements or long term money situation for yourself. And you could be a very stoic provider figure in this time period for your family or for your company wherever you work. So you are a very stable person, reliable person who is very practical and who is looking after their wherewithal, their abundance. And in terms of your work situation, what I am seeing is you are very focused about what to achieve, what is your goal, and you have made a goal or a destination and you want to reach that, you want to achieve that. So whether it is a short term goal or a long term goal, you will be able to have a triumph. However, you need to you have to let go of situations or things that are not working in your favor. And once you are able to change your perspective and you are not stuck on situations and you can let go or sacrifice, you are going to achieve your targets. So you again have the Queen of Pentacles approach in your work situation. You are very nurturing towards your career, your team, your people, your family. So money wise, work wise, you are very stable. With the King of Swords combined, this is your own energy, Aquarius. You are very very to the point, you are logical, you are smart, you are honest, and you are able to consolidate your work situation. And with the Four of Wands in your March, in this month of March, Four of Wands tells us that you will reap rich benefits and you will come into a sense of balance in your work. So great achievement celebrations in work situation can happen. So this is all happening because of your acumen, your logical intellectual self, and your stable self is working in your work environment, and you are making great partnership maybe with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or another Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could be making great strides ahead and you are making a huge step, you are taking a huge step forward. Some of you are going on a travel, some of you work in automobile industry, some of you are able to get out of stuck situations or stagnations. So in terms of love, what I am seeing is you have gone through changes, problems, difficulties, betrayals, and arguments in your love life or in your personal life. There has been obstacles on your path, or some kind of in your health situation you might have gone through surgeries or difficulties or obstacles, but that period is getting over. You have gone through difficult times in your personal life, whether it is your love or your well-being. And in this time period, in the month of March, with the sun and the Temperance card, what is coming to you is healing. What is coming to you is getting better. What is coming to you is you will be able to negotiate reconciliations at this time. You could be getting joy, happiness, success with your family, friends, and children. So basically in your life you are going to enjoy peace, happiness, contentment in this time period. Many of you could be going on a holiday as well. So peace can be negotiated in your personal life at this time. So your outcome in this time period is good one. This is page of wands and the magician. So there will be a youthful energy coming in you, and it is going to give you enthusiasm for near future. And with the magician energy you can expect, sorry, I get something in my eye, maybe my hair. So magician energy is giving you a handle on your situation. Basically, magically you will be able to manifest great sense of enthusiasm or looking forward energy or warmth in this time period, and quickness in your steps. This is going to give you new initiative in life, in your work, in your total environment, and you will be able to manifest good energies in the month of March. You can accomplish many things magically in this time period. However, the moon here is your obstacle. So moon could be that you could be finding yourself a bit restless, or you could be fearing unknown fears, you could be unknown things, or you could be in some kind of illusion regarding your achievements or your own ability to get things done. So basically, this energy is a bit of a illusory energy. This could be creating some kind of fear, but you are going to move on and get into the sunshine, and that is going to give you great energies of healing. So let's read out the Lenormand card for you to see what's coming to you. This is also giving you the moon card. So this is telling you that you might be seeing dreams, or your goals could be connected to your dreams, and but the dreams are realizable, and there could be some kind of premonition. Do not get gripped into a negative spiral because of premonitions. So you need to have so you need to judge your situation properly and not get influenced by your illusory thoughts. So there is going to be a happy month for you. This month will be good in terms of your love or love affair at the beginning, a spiritual agreement based on association and values and projects, short trip with the person you love can happen. So in this time period, in terms of love, you may have gone too far in a love situation and accepted change in life. There can be at the present harmonious union with someone, and surprise revelations can happen at this time by your person. Long and peaceful life can happen for married or committed people. You can have a beautiful family with beautiful children, perfect relationship, and tender and protective partner will be around you. In terms of your success, you have worked very hard to realize your dreams, and the road is long and uphill. But with a good team relationship, common finishing goals, you will be able to achieve good things. In terms of unexpected work contracts with people from afar, you can make new contacts, surprise invitations, tempting trip proposals, and work placement abroad can take place. Dreams can be realized in this time period. Whichever career you may take, you will be your name will be taken with lot of respect. You will get great help from collaborators or clients. In terms of money, your lifestyle could be a bit bohemian for some of you, and you could be spending too much, but in this time period, if you have good business savvy, you can succeed in closing good money deals at this time. So this is your reading for the month of March. I think you will be having a great month, and I wish you all the enjoyment, happiness, and trips, and happy compensations, tidings. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, you can write in the comment box. People who want a personal reading can contact me through the email ID in the description box. And keep watching this space. I'll be bringing more readings for you. Bye bye.